Hey there, welcome to Book's World. In order to stay abreast of all new content I post, go back and hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the little bell icon to be notified of all new content as I post it. Hey, welcome to Book's World. Today we'll be working on a 2009 Suzuki Gsxr 1000R. What we're going to do is show you how to access the headlight bulb to replace it. Note, these instructions are pretty much the same for 2009 to 2016 models. Use a 4mm Allen key wrench to remove the screw at the bottom of the instrument panel. It's suggested to remove the windshield to allow yourself more room to access the bulb, but not always necessary. Once you have removed the screw and set it aside safely, you can now remove the instrument panel by giving a firm tug. Use care when removing because the instrument panel is held in place by two plastic posts and rubber grommets. The plastic posts can break. Next, disconnect the instrument panel wiring harness. And of course, here you are. You uncover your headlight. This is your low beam headlight. Twist it and remove it. All right. Since this is xenon, always be careful. Put on gloves. Don't touch the bulb. It lessens the life. It decreases the life of the bulb. I'm putting it back because we've already fixed it, and I'm going to put everything back. Before we go, let me show you where and how to access your marker lights for changing. To the immediate left and right, you'll find your marker lights. These are simple to remove by giving a firm tug. Once removing the socket, you can easily remove the bulb by giving it a firm tug and it will release from the socket. Here's a view of the empty housing once the marker light housing is removed. Here's a view of the marker light bulb. This happens to be a 915. I guess you can replace them with LEDs if you choose, or just go back and replace it with a 915 or any compatible bulb. Here we have a shot of the replaced marker light bulb. All right, and also the low beam bulb. Hopefully this video has helped you access your low beam headlight and your marker light. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.